Hi and welcome everyone, Daniela here, and I'm happy to be sharing my very first layout created with the May kits today. I've used the main kit and the embellishment kit. Then I used one of those card stocks and one of the Pocket Life cards. And I picked my three favorite things, which are the ephemera, and I really like those pretty colors. And then I also used the fabric die cuts. You see they have a real nice texture here, and we have golden eyelets, so I really love those. I want to use them. And then I also chose the journaling spots and cards. And here we have got some pretty flowers in the package and vibrant colors. Okay, you see that I want to combine the Vichy paper here, and I went for something crazy this time because I wanted to scrap on pink cardstock. That's a thing I rarely do, but I felt that this pretty pattern paper, which I cut three circles from, looks so great on pink cardstock. So I have this picture which has a black background, and I wanted to have a nice contrast and a lot of colors because the picture is so dark that I decided to have this pink cardstock, and I'm really happy about this choice. Okay, so I have picked one of those fabric tags, and I place it here behind my picture on top of the circles. I have three circles, and all of them will be embellished. And that is why I place another fabric piece here behind the big circle, and then the scalloped fabric piece behind my picture. So I have three big elements here, fabric elements. And now I also want to use this pretty die cut frame, which comes in the ephemera pack. And it's like a double frame. We have this pretty pink frame and then the black picture frame. I really like it a lot. Okay, so I also want to have a lot of those pretty flowers here. You see that I picked two from the journaling bits and pieces, and I fuzzy cut one from the Pocket Life card. That's the one I placed on my picture. And now I want to spread some embellishments here across the page. So I'm going for two butterflies, another flower frame, and I also want to use one of those circle fabric die cuts. And I'm not quite sure where to put it, but I guess it has to be here somewhere. And I really like that we have different fabric shapes. We have circles, we have like postcards, and we have the tags, and also some borders. So you can combine them in a lot of different ways. Okay, so now I adhered everything to my paper, and now I can flip through all my other embellishments. So this little bow is also so pretty, and I'm placing it here. And now let's take a look at the puffy stickers. I love those. They have beautiful golden words and hearts, and I think that those go perfectly with the eyelets of the fabric die cuts. So I add some of those here, just around my big cluster. I spread them here and there so that I have some of those golden hearts. And then I also want to take a look at all of my other stickers. So we also have these clear stickers, and we have those pretty alphas, and then we have these foam stickers. I love those. They are really pretty, and I think that they are perfect for building a title. So I'm choosing What a Day. And yeah, this way you add a lot of dimension because, yeah, they are quite thick and really a nice addition to all the flat paper elements. Okay, so just looking here and there if I can add something else. I also want to add the word happy. And so I have a very long title here, What a Day, Happy, and then two of those smaller stickers. And yeah, this is something that I do quite often, combining different fonts and different stickers to create a big title. Okay, so the bow can stay here. Now I also want to add some handwritten journaling on the journaling spot. So I have chosen one of those die cuts here. And yeah, this is a nice and easy way to yeah, keep track of your memories. Just add a few words, and then I think that I also want to have a paper stripe here on the left hand side, and that is what I did in the end. So I show you what my page looks like with the paper stripes. So here we go. Yeah, I really like the May kits. They are so dreamy and pretty, and there are so many nice papers and stickers and embellishments. So I'm sure I'm going to make a lot of pages with these kits. Thank you so much for watching again, and take care. Have fun using your kits, and hope to see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.